Golden crumb.
Cookies.
Cookies yan. Yung isa din cookies, tinan mo. Mukha lang itlog. Cookies yan.
Ang sarap talaga nitong pistachio na drink na to.
Mapatingin yung cookie mo.
Ano yung titikman?
Patingin nga na ano. Masarap na itong pistachio.
Ano ba yung gusto mong tikman pa?
Cookie ni mama.
Masarap siguro.
Ano kayong pinagkaiba na itong mga cookies na to?
Assorted naman lahat yan.
Tikman ko to.
Yun ang hahanapin niya yan. Oh. Yan yun ang
Hindi ko alam eh. Sarap na to ah.
Hindi siya nakakasawa, no?
Hindi matamis ko.
Pero kailangan parang yun yung mas kinakitipan muna. Yung isang yun. Kasi parang may patong siya sa taas. Kaya. Pinapatawa ko rin sa kanya. Ano ka ang
Sarap na tama ah. Tingnan mo yung part na kabila may chocolate. Ibang magkaibang part na yan. Pero may kabila, yung kabilang side niyan, yung parang brownies.
Parang lemon something siya. Masarap. Bakit? Nakikita siya.
That man was their uncle. You want to shut up? People whose mind this isn't funny. This is fucking cartoon, man. It's a fucking... You want me to be scared? You gotta try harder.
Ako kung ano na mag-uubos ako. Lagi ka naman.
Kaya bigay.
Oo, gagsi pa eh. Binigay wala ng hotdog. Tapong na yan doon. Bangang lang yan, tanix.
Ang malang.
Bangang daw yan.
Mahal ka na yung nachos eh. Pati nga may nachos siya. Sarap.
Asap ng cookies dito ah.
Sana siya.
Hindi ko alam.
Binigyan ganito tamis eh.
20 lahat yan eh.
Itong lahat-lahat na to? Wala ko yung dami.
Hindi yung cookies ah.
Ay, yung cookies lang. 20 for 3 pieces.
20 yung tatlo.
Hey,
Not bad ah.
yung sili nilagyan ng ganyan. Parang tumatalaga ako sa sili nga ng
Buto.
sarahan. Ayoko nga.
Ayaw. Ayaw.
Tatay, si driver.
O lemon.
Oo, parang gano'n. Kasi sa red velvet. Yung isa chocolate. Parang ito, s'mores naman ito.
Ako ba?
Ayan, pinatawag ko pa eh.
Good hope. I think finest will come really fun.
Ano naman?
Gonna bring it home. You got a plan? I'm gonna ask this TV fellow where she is. We'll go to sleep for him.
You killed your way into this, you're gonna have to kill your way out of it.
I figured as much.
I can help you with that.
Oh, yeah.
Say something. See you, sir. Alright, I will be your weapons sommelier for this evening. Look over on this wall, you see the Aftermath Kalishnikov, been killing Americans since 1947. Also comes in a deluxe Laney version with full directions and honest balance. What you got over here is the M4 carbine, the Chevy Impala.
Nakakagulag, ano, alam niya.
5S3 here if you want to kill somebody but you don't want to wake them up. But this is the real beast here. The original weapons are 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. M14.
Puta ka na yan.
Maganda ba
You might
yun?
remember this weapon.
Tumutong ba na elepante?
There you go.
Wala bang 15 yan?
Anong 15?
M15?
Hindi ko alam. Ang bares?
Oo.
These are never here,
Upgrade every year.
never anywhere.
Malay mo.
Like us.
Kapuro ka kapapupuan eh.
We did some ratchet shit, bro.
Pati!
Hindi na. Hindi na.
Come do business.
Can I come?
Absolutely not.
Well, that's cool.
Almost a couple of days.
Okay po. Tama. Tanong na siya ng dalawa.
Yung
Let
tawag
me
sa
see.
S13.
No one's getting in trouble. No one is
Something out. See this? It's you. Half and half. We need to hold on to this. Come back to that.
Okay.
Love you.
Daddy, I don't want you getting hurt.
I'll be back soon. Okay.
Si Papa di mo pa kanina pwesto niya.
Fuck. She's fast.